The Auckland Lantern Festival has been going since 2000. Back in 2016, it reached up to 200,000 audience coming through on the 4 days. It makes us the largest cultural festival in New Zealand, which we're really proud of. One of the biggest things that have hit us has been the pandemic. Being unable to deliver a festival in real life with 100,000 people on site, we've had to move our thinking towards going online, enhancing our online program to be more interesting, to develop social bonds, education, entertainment, and also to have a lot of fun. The Auckland Showgrounds is a new venue for us. What we've done is still go ahead and run a dress rehearsal, and what we see here is the layout that we want to do for next year. We've got about 800 lanterns. The large majority of these lanterns are sourced from a company in Zhejiang, China. We consider them as commissioned artworks. The fact that we've got indoor pavilions, that means we can have the lanterns on all day, and that also means that more families can come to the festival next year. After 3 years of cancellations, it's been a bit tough, but that just leaves us more excited about the future. The ideas that we've got bubbling away there are actually going to be really incredible. It's almost limitless.